Experiencing a registration server error during your Lennox iComfort Wi-Fi thermostat setup? You're not alone. This issue arises when your thermostat can't connect to Lennox's servers for registration, preventing remote control and full functionality. This video will guide you through troubleshooting and fixing this common problem, referencing current solutions effective as of April 2026. Several factors can trigger the registration server error. The most common causes include outdated thermostat firmware or iComfort app, network restrictions like firewalls blocking necessary ports, especially port 443 for HTTPS, or temporary glitches on Lennox's servers. Another cause can be incompatibility issues, such as using a 5 GHz Wi-Fi network when the thermostat only supports 2.4 GHz. Before trying more complex fixes, start with these basic troubleshooting steps. First, ensure your Lennox iComfort app is updated to the latest version, which is v4.8 or later. The app is available on both iOS and Android devices. Next, perform a reset on your thermostat to clear any temporary connection issues. Locate the power button on your iComfort thermostat and hold it down for 10 seconds until the display resets. This process clears cached data and often resolves setup problems. After the reset, try the Wi-Fi setup process again through the app. Open the Lennox iComfort app, select your thermostat, and follow the on-screen instructions to connect to your home Wi-Fi network. This often succeeds after clearing the previous issues. If the reset doesn't work, the issue may stem from your network. The iComfort app version 4.8 and later includes a built-in diagnostic tool that scans for common network blockers. This tool helps identify problems like firewall restrictions that might block connections or incorrect DNS settings that prevent proper server communication. The diagnostic tool will guide you through fixes, such as configuring port forwarding on your router to allow the necessary connections. If your network diagnostic indicates a firewall issue, you might need to configure port forwarding on your router. This allows external traffic to reach specific ports on your local network. Specifically, ensure that port 443, which is used for HTTPS communication with Lennox's servers, is open for traffic. As a last resort, some users have reported success using a VPN to bypass network-specific restrictions that might be blocking the connection. Consult your router's manual or contact your ISP for assistance with port forwarding configuration. The Lennox iComfort thermostat only supports 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi networks for its connection. Make sure your thermostat connects to a 2.4 GHz network, not a 5 GHz one. Next, check the Wi-Fi signal strength at your thermostat's location. Weak signals can cause intermittent problems. Consider relocating your router or using a Wi-Fi extender to improve strength. If none of the troubleshooting steps resolve the Wi-Fi setup failure, contact Lennox support directly. They can provide personalized assistance through phone, email, or the app's chat feature. Support may offer manual registration assistance to bypass app issues or identify server-side problems that require Lennox intervention. For alternate solutions, some users successfully use a mobile hotspot for initial registration, then switch back to their home network. Others use an Ethernet bridge to establish a wired connection in areas with problematic Wi-Fi. Looking ahead, smart HVAC systems are moving towards more seamless integration and reduced reliance on central servers. Future iComfort updates may include Matter protocol compatibility, potentially eliminating server errors through decentralized setups. Keep your app and thermostat firmware updated to benefit from the latest fixes and improvements. Regularly check Lennox's support forums, r/Lennox, for community-driven solutions and updates.